Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering on the LG Smart TV and confirming its firmware is up to date. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, make sure you have your Wi-Fi name and password or an Ethernet cable ready so you can connect without interruptions. You should pair the remote and navigate to the main settings menu. That's where you'll initiate network setup. This step gets the TV ready to access the router and the internet services you want to use. You now enter network settings and choose Wi-Fi or wired depending on your setup. Wired is simpler and more stable, while Wi-Fi is flexible. Select your SSID and enter the password carefully, or press the router's WPS button if you prefer an automatic pairing. WPS speeds things up but can be less secure. After connecting, run the built-in connection test so you can verify the IP address and signal strength. That confirms the You finish by opening the LG Content Store or the web browser and signing into the apps you use to stream or browse. This step activates personalized services. If an app won't play, update or reinstall it to clear corrupted data. That often fixes playback errors. If problems persist, restart the router and TV, check DNS settings for the network, and only perform a factory reset if necessary. This preserves time and avoids losing saved accounts and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.